Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Apple Pen. I purchased it for my iPad 6th generation. Just open the box. Here's the pen. In the packet, it has the adapter and another tip, some instructions, you can take off the lid to charge it, and this is also how you connect it via Bluetooth. It works with all different types of applications. Works for YouTube. I use it in Procreate. You can use it for drawing. I use it in the sketchbook. I don't think we're in focus. But yeah, I think it was a good purchase. I got mine off of Amazon. I think I paid $80 for it. I didn't want to spend $130 in the store. But thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter.